Guys, kukho aba baye court. Can somebody balance me between and because I am confused with this party. What is their problem? Are they trying to stop the Madlanga Commission because they're saying it's a waste of money? A part of me is like, guilty because there is absolutely no way by a court to stop the Commission of Inquiry, the Madlanga Commission. The same people who were in the committee discussing, saying the committee in Parliament is not urgent because Umkonas is going to appear in the Madlanga Commission and Bobona, they are okay with that. All of a sudden, they are taking them to court to stop. Why are they trying to stop? Can somebody balance me because I'm confused with this party? What is happening with this party? Oh, the members of this party, can you balance? What nenzani man? Nenzani? Hayi andiyazi. Khona udali xa ufuna utya le mali yena akasa advise intoni. Hayibo. Udr Hlopeni uthuleleni. Oh, I see. They are also saying the 121 documents must be prosecuted, so there's no need for the inquiry. Oh, andiyazi mna le party noba zenza relevant okanye ntoni na. But I see they lost the court bid. So I see it says here, MK loses the court bid to stop the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry. Hayi bethuna. Baphithizela abantu. Baphithwa ntoni? Andiyazi. Yes. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Let's meet on YouTube. I'm going to be shooting content now.